Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a Spectra, and it is one of the best website builder plugin for WordPress in 2025. And in this entire video I'm going to break down this procedure step by step. Whether you are building a blog, business site, or landing page, Spectra offers a drag and drop experience with powerful blogs and with zero code. So, by the end of this video, you will know how to install Spectra, use blogs to build stunning layouts, customize styling, speed up your workflow with templates. So, without any further ado, let's dive into it. But before that, let's search for Spectra here, or we can search here Spectra. Like here you can see this is the Spectra. So what is actually Spectra is? So Spectra, formerly Unlimited Add-ons for Gutenberg, is a blog-based website builder plugin developed by Brainstorm Force and the makers of Extra theme. They are the makers of the Extra theme. So it enhances the default WordPress blog editor with advanced design block, layout controls, animations, effect, responsive setting, pre-built templates. It's lightweight, fast, and works perfectly with most WordPress theme. So in this video we are going to use this Spectra as our page builder in our WordPress website. So I will click to the plugin and I will click on to the add plugin options. It will redirect me to the store where we can install new plugin for our website. So I will search here Spectra and let's hit enter, and it will take a while, and then eventually I will get this app. And here you can see it is from by Brainstorm Force. So I'm going to install it. Once I click over here install, it will take a while to install it, so we need to be patient here. So if you watch the video till the end, you will get a bonus tip, that is the differentiation or comparing between Spectra and Elementor. So let's watch the video. So here I'm going to activate this one. Just click to the activate. Once I click over here activate, it will take a while again. So I already use this couple of plugin like page builder plugin on WordPress like Elementor, DB, and many more. Let's try Spectra here and let's find out which one is really better for us. So our Spectra has been installed, and here you can see this is the dashboard. As you can see the dashboard here, extended your website, they are suggesting you can install Astra, then starter template, shortcut, and press to player also. And the blogs you will get freely is FAQs, counter, slider, animation, image gallery, tabs, and model. Also you will get the dynamic content in your pro plan. So if you want to use the pro plan, you are allowed to use this one. Then go to the blog, and here you can see these are the blog. Let's enable all. These blogs are essential for Spectra operation and cannot be turned off. Okay, this blog will be available in our fill plan. Then AI feature, you will get AI assistance. It's like ChatGPT but for WordPress, designed to revolutionize your WordPress experience. Great. Then we have AI design copilot, like generate personalized control inside design library based on your input. So you can see that build 10x faster with use Spectra AI. So you are allowed to use this AI feature on your WordPress site. Then let's go to the setting, and here you can see this is the options we have. If you want to change anything, you can do it from that place. So here we have another option, this editor enhancement. So you can explore it if it is necessary for you. I will leave it. So now I'm going to talk about the free and pro. So into the free plan, you will get custom post type support. No, you will not get into the free plan. It is available only in the pro. So you will get the pro plan, this like this green one. So you can check this out. Here you can see. So if you want to explore further more with, like you love the free plan and you want to go further with this Spectra, then you can purchase the premium plan. Just click to this one and it will redirect you to this page where you can purchase the premium plan. And here you can see this is the premium plan. Like let's see the annual is $199 one-time dollar. So you can purchase it if you feel that Spectra is really good for you. So now I am going to do work on Spectra. So I will click on the new page and just click to the page, and here I am going to add a page over that place. Let's reload the page. I already maybe later. Thanks for using later. So I will give a name that will be him, and then I will click to this element. Just click to the C1. Here you can see countdown and many things already come up. These are from Spectra. Here you can see this is the Spectra. So you can drag it, drop here container, and you can choose your container over here. Let's choose this one, and now here you have this Spectra block setting. Just click over here, and here you can add custom CSS. So now here you can see that we already added container. So if you want to add element through this one, you can do it at this one. Let's again this go over here and then try to add an image. Just click over here and let's try to upload it. Okay, as you can see we already uploaded it here. If you want to do edit over here, you can do your edit, as you can see it. Then if you want to add any element you are allowed to add it here. Just let's add a button underneath this image. Just place it here, and let's change the name. Just click over here and change the name to the shop now, or you can add buy now. Then if you want to add any heading, you can do it. Just click to this one plus button and then click to the heading, and you can drag it, drop through this option. So I will delete this one. I don't want this one in here, so I will click to the delete, and then I will drag it, drop here, and now here you can see our heading has been added. So it's totally depend on your preference, like what kind of a design do you want in your WordPress website. So you have the options to do your thing in here. Let's drag it, drop our Google Maps, and here you can see our Google Maps has been added. Let's see, we are going to add this post timeline. Let's place it here, and here our timeline has been added. If you want to add further more container, you can add it here. Then let's add content timeline to paste it here, and here you can see our content timeline has been added. Similarly, you can add all this thing in here. Then you have design library. If you want to upload anything, let's click to the insert and let's click to the get started. Okay, leave it, and I need to be set it up to start to work on here. Zip WP. I think we might need to be create an account over here. Just create an account. Let's select our email and click to the continue. So here you can see how easy the process was. Okay, so it is not free, so it's really hard to get it, but we can use the free plan. Try free plan, validate errors. So let's go click again. Okay, there is a problem we face. So again let's go to the WP admin and we will redirect to here. Again go to the page and let's click to our name and try to edit it. So in Elementor, whenever you will edit, it will redirect to a new page. But on the other hand, if we are using this Spectra, you are able to edit it in the by default page. That's really amazing. That is the great thing I ever get to see. So that is another one. I will go with this one. So here you can see you can add this template also feature. It is really easy to do it. I hope you understand how easy the process. So I am going to insert it. So you just need to connect your account. I already tried, but there is not free plan available for us. That's why I stuck here. So you can do your work with this one. So now I am going to give you why you just need to be at Spectra. This is the bonus section. Why use Spectra? Like, it is a native Gutenberg block editor, no third-party page builder bloat. Then it has it is fast loading and clean code, and it has 100% free for the most feature. Then it has tight integration with Astra theme, easier learning curve than Elementor or Divi. If you want to speed and simplicity, Spectra is a winner. So let's wrap up the video here. If you think this video helped you, then don't forget to like our video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for our motivation. So let's wrap up the video here. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with a new topic.